Earn more money with these affiliate marketing techniques. You've created a website and an online business, so it's time to work on the affiliate marketing aspect. You probably have lots of questions on how to start and what to do, but don't worry, this video can assist you. Listed below are some tips that will help you get started with the affiliate marketing of your website. You should talk to people who have joined the affiliate program you are considering to avoid any fraud. Ask them how much money they make, and if they are always paid on time. You can also learn a lot from experienced workers about sales techniques and how to make more sales. Affiliate programming is a gradual process that takes a while to make money from. It is important to remember that many programs give you lifetime payouts for members that you refer to their service. You must remember that affiliate advertising is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather, it is an easy way to make some extra cash. Affiliates creating websites are going to need to link their sites directly to the main company's site, so this means you will need to know a little bit about site building and link building. Take your time to create an attractive, functioning site, and make sure that your links work well and lead straight to the pages your customers need to see. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. If you are trying to maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure you are getting credit for all the traffic you drive. Some programs only pay for purchases made on the first click through from your site, but there are some that credit you for a set number of days after they click from your page. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Advertise your affiliate product in a variety of venues. Some people look for products online. Others might respond well to flyers and brochures. Still others might need a percentage off coupon. By advertising your product in a number of venues, you will attract a broader audience. Convincing visitors to do surveys on your affiliate site is not easy. Be upfront about the topic and the time they need to spend to complete the survey. As an incentive, you may offer coupons to websites related to the topic of the survey, and you can also display links and get paid for the purchases your survey takers make. Now you should be much more prepared when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you thought that you were ready before, well, you should now be very ready now. The tips that were given should have provided you some advice that can help you get started with the affiliate marketing of your website. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.